Sometimes business opportunities float right past your nose. It is important that you are always ready so when an opportunity comes, you can grab it. Hey, Flor here, and today I will be sharing 5 lessons most people learn in business or in any business too late. Number 1, wasting time. The quickest way to miss any business opportunity is by wasting time and procrastination. Life moves on, and if you are spending time in fruitless activities, opportunities are flying fast, but you cannot probably see them. Number 2, mixing with wrong crowd. Don't expect to find open doors and make high-quality connection if you are mixing with the wrong people, both personally and professionally. If you spend your time around people who are negative or constantly want to distract you from your big goal, then you are going to miss opportunities and also not find them anywhere. Choose the people you surround yourself with very carefully. They can either make you or break you. Number 3, not focusing. You need to remain focused on your core business or core purpose. If you are always changing your mind and your focus, you will end up spinning around on the spot and go nowhere fast. Number 5, not taking risk. Business opportunities are often disguised as risk. Well, what the world called risk is in fact just something out of the ordinary and something that hasn't done before. Only when you are willing to make or break the mold and take a risk, you will see more opportunities. Remember, it isn't crowded in extra miles. Number 5, fear. A classic reason we miss opportunities is fear of the unknown, fear of failure, fear of success. We need to realize that if we listen to fear, we will miss opportunities and ultimate success. I decided to become a digital business owner 2 years ago because I realized that I need to step out with what is familiar and step in with something new. I have dreams and goals, but dreams should not remain dreams. It should become a reality. I faced my fears, took a risk, and became a digital business owner. I am so thankful that I took an action 2 years ago. Now my whole family is enjoying the benefits of an online business. If you want to know more about how you could own a legitimate digital business, simply send me a message or register now to my link below and I will be in touch with you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon.